Yo, good morning, y'all. That's actually not how I start, but let me start the way how Nate starts. What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from NIYS State. Good morning. I am here in my hostel, Viajero, Medellin. I guess I'm on a journey, a Viajero, to try out all of the Viajeros that they have here in Colombia, their franchises. At the moment, I haven't met much people here yet, even though I've spent one night and this is my first official day. I don't care. The head on Cali is what's popping right now. I really like that location. Maybe because it's the people that's there, I guess the location, the activities, the people that come through. Bro, I think the head on Cali is my top recommendation at the moment. I'm a little tight, bro. I'm tight. So when I was leaving Manizales, I was making sure I was packing all the groceries that I will need to move forward. And I forgot this orange juice. Tangerine juice that I left in my freaking apartment back in Manizales. And I am mad because that was the best tasting type of citrus orangey drink I've ever had. And I think I wanted to freeze it and I forgot it in the freezer, man. But hopefully I can find a supermarket over here in Medellin that has the same type of flavor, but I don't know, man. I probably may find it because I found it at an Éxito. And Éxito, in my opinion, is equivalent to, oh, what? Okay, we got people like that in the area? Hold up. They are attractive over here. Alright, anywho, my fault. Éxito is equivalent to Target in the States. I was gonna say Walmart, but I think Walmart is bigger and Target is a little smaller. It's just like Target. You got TVs, you got clothing, you got attractive people. Okay, Medellin, all right. Okay. Basically, as they say it is. You got clothing, you got food. Wait, what's going on over here, son? All right, let me not get distracted again. Yo, you got clothing, you got food, you got groceries, you got pantry, house appliances, technology. I'm getting mad distracted. What's that in the tree? You know I like my nature. What in the heck is in the tree making it move? But yo, look at this waterfall, man. Since I'm distracted anyway, look at that little, it sucks that you got cups and stuff in there, man. I'm disappointed about that. And you got like a little, what is that, a piece of cloth? Other than that, this thing would be nice. Somebody should actually clean that up though, for real. But yeah, man, you got household appliances, you got bedding, bathroom supplies, technology, anything that you'll see in Target in the States if we see it over here. It might be Walmart. It might be Target. It's more Target. There it is. I see you. It's a bird. Oh snap! It's a blue one. I haven't seen that breed before. Never seen that type. It's a wild Pokemon. All right, bro. Let me get some stuff together today before I like research to see what's around the area and get out there and like explore a bit. You know what I'm saying? Normally this is how I do it, right? I don't really go out there and start filming right away. I need to like put my feet on the ground first, walk around, see the area, see if it's safe enough for me to even film or anything. You know what I'm saying? Walk around, see the people, and if I'm comfortable with the area and if I have like a comfortable route of where I want to walk, then I start filming. Like, all right, cool, I know how I'm gonna move. Once I get how I'm gonna move around the city or something like that, then I start recording. Um, that goes into El Centro. I'm really afraid of El Centro. I don't know, son. I'm terrified of Medellin. Based on all that fear-mongering all y'all guys been doing on the freaking internet, talking about what happens to people. Freak, man. Feel like I'm a target being a gringo over here. But, oh, look. I like that bird. Freak. Nah, whatever. All that fear-mongering you guys been doing, man. Sheesh. I don't even want to leave the house, though. But, all right. I'll figure stuff out. Because, I think I'm in the area of Parque Jettas. You know what I'm saying? And I hear what happens over there. Sheesh. I do want to go outside and see what's going on, though. I'm mad curious. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'll hit you up in a few.